there's Radhakund, and right next to Radhakund are the kunjas of the Sakhis. So they're contiguous, and they're near each other. But actually, some of the kunjas, like the Astasakhi kunjas, are the first series of kunjas surrounding Radhakund, or the Astasakhis. But then beyond that, there's the Upasakhis. And then there's their Sakhis and their Sakhis. So taking the center part of Radhakund as the hub of a wheel, or the axle or hub of a wheel, then radiating from the center of Radhakund and Shamakund are 8 kunjas, and then 16 kunjas, then 32 kunjas, then 64 kunjas, and 128 kunjas. Because in Radhakund and Lita's kunj, there's what they call Yogapit, the Yogapit, where this is called a Madhyan Yogapit. Radha and Krishna, they pause in their Sodasiki lilas, their continuous flow, river-like flow of lilas. It just keeps moving on, and one lila to the next. They pause, and that's called the mantra upasana. So they pause in the movements of all those lilas. They pause for some official, you can say, head count and puja. So they have a yoga pit mandir. So they're all just moving through the kunjas and the forests and Jalkeli and Holi and Julin. Then they go to an official mandir. Like we go to the mandir, and in mandir we do a puja and shringar and bhog seva and shringar and shayan seva and artik and kirtan. So that all the Astasakis, Nupasakis and Manjaris and Radha and Krishna, they come into the yoga pit mandir, and then they sit there on their lotus singhasan, and then they are offered artik, some bhog and some artik. So this goes on in Radhakund.